What's up, you guys? So today I'm going to be unboxing and swatching this Makartt 24 color Mermaid Flair gel polish collection. I absolutely love the design concept as far as the colors, the packaging. I love the watercolor vibes, the pastel vibes, the rose. So kind of giving like a little flowery vibe. And I especially love that these gel polishes come in the foam insert, and they're so easy to get in and out, especially even if you have your nail extensions on. It comes with a little manual that shows basically how to do the natural prep, how to apply the gel polish, and it shows a few other products you may be interested in. And luckily, you guys, this kit comes with the top coat and the base coat. So if you wanted to do a little at-home DIY gel manicure, all you would need to have is a lamp to cure the polish, and then of course your basic manicure necessities, which if you guys haven't seen my previous video, I do show you guys the full at-home basic manicure and basically all the steps except for between, like, so say for instance you wanted to do your at-home basic manicure, you would do that. All you would need to do is dehydrate the nails and then apply your base coat and then your gel color. Usually you'll apply two layers of the color, and then you'll go in with the top coat, 1 or 2 layers, whatever you decide. But anyways, so let's admire these beautiful colors. I did not really go into depth about showing you guys the numbers of each color because honestly, I'm a little salty that they don't have names. I love when the colors have names, and the numbers were they were like 4-digit numbers, and I'm like, bro, can we just name them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? Nah, but like, why do they have to be 9,801, like 9,800? Hey, so this is polish 9801. Like, that was my only real bone that I had to pick with this collection. Other than that, I loved everything. I love the colors, I love the texture, the consistency. The durability of the polish is amazing, and I love the fact that it comes with the top coat and the base coat because the price point for this kit is very good. So I'll leave the link to this kit in the description box and you can go check it out. I would tell you guys, maybe I can look it up really quick on my phone, but I would tell you guys like the price that I paid for it. I can't say, I know I got it on sale. That's the only reason I don't want to like tell you guys how much I paid for it or what the price point is, but you guys can click the link to check it out yourself. But for me personally, to get 24 colors of quality gel polish with a top coat and a base coat that are also quality, because this Makartt top coat, actually, once I got this kit and I started using the Makartt top coat, because I had never used it before, I didn't even want to use any other top coat again. Like, I've only used so many anyways, and the one that I was using was just a simple one from the nail supply store. But this Makartt one is just like, wow, it's clear, it's shiny, it's not too thick, it's not too runny at the same time. It's just so good. And so there's basically like, let me grab the swatches really quick. Hold on, you guys. All right, so for this, there's like, so they're gonna have the pastel yellows, and they kind of go into like a little bit of an orange vibe. And then there's the pastel pinks and the pastel purples, blues, and greens. And for each one, you're gonna get 2 glitter like colors. One with, it looks like one with a super fine, and it has an iridescent polish. And then you're gonna get one that's like just an actual glitter and a clear translucent polish. And then you'll have like a darker pastel and a lighter pastel. And oh my gosh, you guys, when I think I saved the best for last on this video, and I'm so sorry if I did, but color 9801 was my absolute favorite of the entire set, and I used it on a set that I did. I'll post the link to the set in my description. So these colors are very complimentary. They're super, super cute, and I'm actually within the next couple to few weeks going to be shooting a lot of videos that will include those mermaid flares. Okay guys, so this is the color I was telling you guys about. Number 9801 it's giving me total Frozen vibes. It's giving me like all things princesses, all things unicorn, like, and I feel so bad, you guys. I almost didn't even keep this video, and I almost redid it completely over because my lens was a little foggy. But that was a lot of colors to re-swatch, and I did save the best for last. Here are all the colors. Look at how beautiful they are. They're literally so freaking gorgeous. And I don't know if it was dusty. I kind of was in a rush, you guys, so I don't think I wiped them all off before I put the top coat on, but the polish itself is amazing. And the colors, I love that mustard orange. I love all the purples. I love the blue jelly glitter. Oh, so beautiful. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. I hope you really enjoyed, and this kit, this little set is such a great investment.